Good day all, I'm Christopher and welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing on from where we left off, and I think that was the nav bar. So let's check it out. Where did we finish? Where did we finish? Okay, we finished the nav bar, the Jumbotron, and the um, the About Us. Okay, so next is, let's see what we offer. Okay, we'll swim. So, we could have also opened the, what's it called? The wireframe. Okay, so what we offer, websites. So, not a lot is going to change until my pricing actually changes, but this is still what we offer. So I'm going to try and put this as an ordered list instead of an unordered list. So, yeah, but we are forgetting one thing in this, and I found that out. So we have to go here, and let's go down to documents, my website. Okay, what we need to do is we need this bootstrap responsive.min. So what this does is basically takes all the bootstrap that we've got and it makes it responsive. So the other day on the stream, I was trying to figure out why it wasn't, why my span and stuff wasn't working to actually make the stuff go into line. So this is why that never happened. So if we go here, we go there. Okay, now if we go back into here and we connect, oh, we haven't even connected the other style sheet yet. So let's just do this link class. Oh no, it's not class, it's rel. REO link REO style sheet href. Now if we can pick go into this web CSS and we pick bootstrap responsive, and whilst we're there we might as well connect the other style sheets, even though we haven't done anything with it yet. Okay, so let's actually see if we have done anything with the CSS style sheet. Yes, we have. Then why isn't it? Hasn't it? Why hasn't it been linked there? I'm sure I linked this. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so there's our Jumbotron. There's our pricing. There's our About Us. Okay, we need. So if we come back down here, and okay, so this is going to be. We are going to do the following: div class row fluid, and then we are going to do, so what we want is div class span 12. Now inside that we want, and let's make it a h2 heading. to what were we gonna do? Website. Okay, so let's go back into here and website. Websites. Okay. Now, if I remember, we go down one. So under that, we are going to do another div class row fluid, and in there we are going to have another band. So div class span 4. No, not 7. 4. Okay. Div class span 4, and then we're going to have in that we're going to have an h4 heading. H4. That's going to be, what is our first one? Our first one is hosted. Okay. So in that H4 we are in that H4 we're going to do hosting, and then we're going to have our ordered lists. So that will go okay, so that's an ordered list. So what we want is an LI, and how many LIs do we need? So we make that, and we go Control C, we go Control V. Now we need, what is it? Domain registration 130 rand 4.co.za. Okay, domain registration. What is the domain registration? 130 130 co.za. Okay, and then web for .co.za website if domain is available. Available. No, that's not how you spell available. And that is how you spell available. Control V. Almost. Oh, okay. So the next one is, you know what? We can just copy and paste this because I don't think it's going to be a problem. Okay. Listing prices. Pricing varies depending on the size of the website. Let's check what this looks like. So if we go into here, we go to reload page. Okay, so there it is there. However, we are going to have to try and move away from the end here because it doesn't. Wait, let's see what it looks like this. Let's make it smaller still. Let's bring this up a bit. See, there we go. It's now listed at 1, 2. So let's make it smaller. Can't make it smaller. Okay. Now let's get the other ones in. Okay, that's not what I want. So basically, we could, in theory, just do this. In theory, just do this. Copy. Paste. So the next one's creation. Creation. I hope I've spelled that right. Yes, I have. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 of these. So let's do this. Control C. Let's do it twice more. Cool. Now that we've got all of that, and who knows, I might actually put a border around this. So maybe I should make this into a container as well. Okay, web creation. I think I'm going to change that to web design. So hosting design, web design and maintenance. Yes, let's change to web design. web design, web design. Cool. So we're changing things up. Okay, now we got the layout. Control C. Okay, so layout, and then we want that. Okay, this. Cool. Let's see what that looks like. What we offer. Okay, we're gonna have to reload this page. Don't want that. Okay, that's what it looks like. And now if we do that, yeah, 1, 2 underneath each other. The reason why it will go underneath each other like that is because it's too small of a screen, so it won't be sit side by side. But if we make this bigger, it should. There you go. So that would be about a tablet's width. Um, anything smaller, as you can see, it just jumps down to the bottom. So to make it bigger. Oh, why do you jump like that now? Cool. So that's that. Now, if we do this one more time, Control C, Control V, we take this space out, and we have in here 4 links as well. So this is maintenance. I keep misspelling maintenance, so I might as well do this. So I'm gonna put a border around this, and we're gonna see how that controls. It might not look good if it's on smaller devices, so I must keep that in mind as well. So if we are designing for mobile first, so I must actually be very careful of what the layout will look like. So if I put something in a border and in a container, I need to be careful because I'm not sure how it will look like on a phone, and that's one thing that I cannot have messed up. So we need to pay close attention to that. Creation, cool, and that's the last one there. Control V, Control S. Why have you come onto the second line? Control S. So we go back here, we go refresh, and voila, we've got all of them. Okay, so let's see if we make it smaller, 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 smaller. See, that still stayed the same. So now that's underneath each other. Okay, so let's put a border. So let's see what a border will look like if we put a border around it. We do indent this one, div class container. Okay, and we do Control X, Control V. Let's indent this. Yes. Then we go dot container. Let's see if I spelled that right. I keep on misspelling things, which is not too good. Control V. Okay. We do this. Border. Let's go 5 pixels. Solid black. Okay, maybe let's do the color first. Black and solid. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, 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 no. Oh, yes, that's right. Let's, we need a break. We need a break mode. Between this and this, we are going to need either a doodle divide, or we're just gonna have to do this and make a couple of breaks. Okay, let's reload. It's not too bad, but I would prefer something a little more elegant in between. Let's put this in a container as well. So we go like this, and we say div class container, and drop it all the way down, 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 down. Okay, so here, no, we don't need that. This, Control V, and then we're going to indent one container. There it is. Okay, Control S. Now let's see what this looks like with a border. Do I like it? 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 Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay. Not bad with the border. Not too good either. Maybe I should instead of making 5 pixels, let's make it 3. And instead of solid, let's make it let's see what ridge looks like. Control this, and ooh, that could work. That could definitely work. Get that out of my face. That could work. Ooh, yes, that could work. What we offer, let's see. Yep, that still does what we need to do. That might actually work. But I'm not enamored with the okay. Container H1. So font, no, it's text align. Text align center. Control S. Okay. Don't worry, the will change. What is this? This was an H3, I think it was. Or H2. Let's change it to an H1. Yeah, this is H2. So let's change it to an H1. Both sides. Come on. H1. Cool. No, thank you. Okay. About us and website. Maybe we should have a bit of a break between the two. Let's do that. So go. We do this. Or okay. Yeah. BR. Cool. Let's see what it looks like with a break in between. Not there. That might actually work. Let's see what it looks like. Go back into this. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. I'm liking. But maybe it's too boxy. Maybe it's too boxy. What are these? These are H4, if I'm correct? Yeah. So let's go H1, H4. Let's put a comma there. So if I do this, theoretically, yes, that does do that. Okay. So H4s are now centered. Now, I want to try and put like a lines here. So, ooh, if I do another border, it's going to look kind of okay. Class row. Okay, so let's do the div class container. Control X. Control V. And I shouldn't do that. Okay, so let's ban N1. Okay, so this span is also going to get a container. Oh no, sorry. Div class container. Control X. And Control V. With that N1. Cool. Wait a minute. Why is this like this? Div. Why is this div here? I'm gonna have to go back one, but that's fine. Div class container. Control X. Okay. Control V. This goes in one. That. And yeah, no. That is not gonna work at all. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. And now I'm gonna have to bring everything in one. Okay, let me do this and I'll get back to you. Okay, we're back. Did what I needed to do. That really did not look that good. Okay, so next up we'll be doing the OW. What is OW? Artwork. Okay. So that will be next time. We have run out of, unfortunately, we've run out of time for today. Thank you for joining me today. I'm starting on my new project. Gotten the client in, so I'll be starting on my new project as well. That will be we'll be doing the wireframe. So that is what I'm going to be doing in the next couple of hours. So this will be, by the time that this is released, hopefully the wireframe would have been finished and I will hopefully be able to upload it on Thursday. So I'm very excited to show you guys the wireframe. Unfortunately, I will not be able to tell you the company. That is why it is going to be called Project one, until such time as I have been given the permission to tell you the company's name. So when we start building the website, some of the stuff will be blank, and there will be filler text. And there will be filler images until such time as I'm allowed to show you guys the entirety of all the content that's going into the website. I will only be showing you some of the stuff, unfortunately. So it will basically be the outline for the actual website that we're going to be doing, I'll be doing. And yeah, so we'll have to wait for the designer to come back with all of the pictures and stuff like that. So, but I'll give you guys updates, frequent updates about the project. I'll also be talking about it on Twitter, hopefully. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Next time we'll be doing our work, and hopefully PT, what is PT? Pricing and T's and C's. So hopefully we'll be getting both of those done. They will be updated with the new stuff pretty shortly. Hopefully, when my graphic designer is able to get some time to design the pricing pictures. So it's gonna look something like this. No, that's not it. It's like this, but it will have the prices, the now prices instead of the then price. So that will be updated pretty shortly. As you can see, there are advertising packages that we do for Facebook and things like that. Twitter, no, not Twitter, Instagram, sorry. But yeah, thanks for joining me today, and I'll be seeing you in the next vid. Chris out.